Are you wondering if YouTube TV offers access to Jeopardy? And in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain how you can watch this iconic game show. If you're a fan of trivia and Alex Trebek's legendary hosting, you'll want to hear this. Yes, YouTube TV does offer access to Jeopardy because it airs on ABC or is syndicated on local channels, both of which are included in YouTube TV's standard package. You can watch new episodes live as they air or use the platform's DVR feature to record and watch them later at your convenience. However, keep in mind that syndicated shows like Jeopardy may vary by region, so availability depends on your local channel lineup. Additionally, some episodes or specials might be available on demand through ABC's library. If this video helped you understand how to watch Jeopardy on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.